Well, here's going to be an interesting project. I needed to build a file cabinet, but I had this, call it a spare side table. And instead of wasting this space down here, I thought I'd convert it to a file drawer. That would hold some hanging file folders. So let's see how that goes. Well, a little change in plans. To be able to hang folders, I won't be able to utilize the drawer. I just have to make the file folder portion too deep to be able to use the drawer. So I'll make the box, and then I'll just utilize the front, the full cabinet. So let's go put the box together. And what I'm planning on doing is using the original drawer guide on both sides for my file cabinet sides, plus I'll put a new one in near the bottom to hold the weight. So I think I'll route the sides now. Well, slight change in the plans on my converting this over to a file cabinet. So I think I'm on plan B. Or is it plan C? Anyway, as you saw, I was routing out 2 dados so that they would run on the existing wood runner. So, and I even had built the second one that the sides could run on. But last night at 10 o'clock, it just dawned on me, I have these 12-inch full extension slides, and I haven't had an item or build that I could use those on up until now. And so what I'm going to do is use the slides, and I'll put them on, oh, we'll say about there. So I don't have to redo the sides. I'll just leave the grooves there, or rather the dados, and let people wonder. And so what I did, I've already cut the spacers for the slides, and that'll go up in here. And I need spacers because there's a face frame on this. So we'll do that. But luckily, I hadn't cut the box out yet. So now I'll have to make the box 1 inch smaller to accommodate the slides, which is no problem. So now my next major thing, I guess, is I'm gonna have to use something and cut the original wood slides off, or at least trim it back. So we'll keep on going. Just gluing the spacers in now for the slides. Well, time to put in the slides. All right, let's see how we did. Oh, good. Sweet. We'll put the false front on now. I've seen a number of drawers where the slides are on the bottom. I kind of decided because of the depth of the drawer and what I'm going to use it for, I thought it'd be good to kind of get it more in the middle. Well, I got this piece of steel rod from Home Depot, and that will be used for my hanging file folders. So what I'm going to do now is cut the holes that will put the rod through. I've got another piece of board here just so I don't get splint out. Like so. The other side. Same as the first. Just like that. Time to stain the drawer front. Not bad. Not bad at all. Adequate. Well, there, that wasn't bad. Converting a nightstand that I wasn't using anymore into a filing cabinet that I'll use. Nice. I think I might put some wheels on it tomorrow. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next project. Well, after I stained it, I put a couple coats of lacquer on it. Now, I'll try to attach it